It is about 10:30 and I've just popped on the Lancome Juicy Shaker in the shade Top Gum. A pun on every dad's favorite movie. So the whole Juicy Shaker line is a lip oil with some suspended pigment in the mix. So you have to shake them to combine the pigment with the lip oil. It transfers through a couple little holes in the bottom here onto this sponge tip applicator, which then obviously you apply to the lips. We're gonna start by reading through what Lancome has to say about this, and then I'll show you the application process. Wow, that's long. Let's get started then. It says, shake it, twist it, love it. Colors that turn you on. A seriously addictive lip oil with pillowy soft cushion applicator for a delicious shot of color with a hint of shine. Shake it up with the latest innovation. Juicy Shaker's bi-phase technology delivers first pigmented lip oil with two distinct phases. The first phase is a transparent oil phase for a comfortable, non-sticky shine. The second is the pigment phase for a shot of color. Shake the Juicy Shaker like a cocktail shaker to mix the pigments in oil. The cushion applicator enhances application by delivering the perfect shot of addictive non-sticky shine and a sheer tint of color to your lips that is simply irresistible. The cocktail blend of four nourishing oils treats your lips like a lip balm. Peach kernel oil, a well-known emollient, softens lips, while sweet almond oil conditions. Cranberry oil provides rich antioxidant properties. Muscat rose oil is rich in essential fatty acids and helps to soothe lips. So addictive you won't be able to resist applying it over and over. The Juicy Shakers come in a lot of shades, but there is a hint of tint, but it is barely there. Now, I am a really big fan of the Lancome matte shakers, which came out well after the Juicy Shakers came out. So I use those pretty regularly in my day-to-day life because it's a really nice matte stain. And if you want a video on this, I can. I already have a review up on the blog that I can link below. But I've never really taken the time for the Juicy Shakers because it just doesn't have that much color. So it felt a lot thinner on the lips when I immediately put it on, and then in the last 2 minutes that I've been talking here, it feels like a bit thicker on the lips and a little bit more like you would want a lip balm to feel like, you know? So it started at first definitely feeling like a lip oil. It felt very thin, almost watery. Now it's feeling a little bit thicker as it's, I guess, soaked into the lips a little. Something that I don't love about their whole marketing scheme for this and that whole website copy that I just read is that they keep going back to this it's a cocktail shaker, it looks like it's cocktails and it's so addictive, which seems a little bit problematic. Not something that I would usually comment on, but because they kept saying that it's a cocktail of different oils, it's in a cocktail shaker, shake it like a cocktail shaker, it's so addictive, over and over again within that copy, it just felt a little bit too strong for my tastes. This has a really, really strong scent, kind of bubblegum, but it also smells a little bit like alcohol. So it does kind of have that smell, I guess, of rubbing alcohol mixed with bubblegum, which is not super pleasant. I'm not sure if you can read that there, but it does say that it is flammable until dry, which would support the theory that there is an alcohol base to this oil. My lips are pretty dry today, so we shall see whether or not they feel more hydrated as the day goes on. There's no real discernible taste, which is nice because I don't like it when lipsticks have a taste to them. And now that it has started to dry down a little bit, it does not really have a strong smell. But that is all I have for you on this first check-in, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Well, now we know why they said that it's so addicting, because it is 11:30 and it has already worn off the lips. Now I will say that my lips do feel nice and hydrated, and I can feel there is nothing on my lips. There's nothing's here. But they do feel really nice. They feel hydrated. They feel like they have a little bit more movement than they did this morning when they were super chapped. But that being said, it's only been an hour, so I guess it's addictive because you would have to apply it over and over again if that's the lipstick you wanted to wear today. But if it's more like a lip balm that you toss on every once in a while, or something that you wear when you're preparing to put on a more heavy-duty lipstick, that I can kind of understand. But as a standalone product, which is how they're marketing it, the longevity is ridiculously short. But I will have a whole review on the blog later today. All of the nitty-gritty details will be there. So check out lipstickaday.com, and I will see you later. Bye.